All of you mute your mic. So let us start the session. Today we are going to start revision 2 of chapter number 3, playing with numbers. So let us see the different types of questions and what we have completed in the first revision. We have completed factors, multiples, divisibility test, and prime and composite numbers, right? And now in this revision, we are going to complete common factors and multiples and factorization, prime factorization. And in the revision 3, we will complete word problems based on HCF and LCM, right? So now let us start with the common factors. So what are the factors of 4 and 18? The factors of 4 are 1, 2, and 4. And the factors of 18 are 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, and 18. Now we will see the common factors. We will check 1, 2 hai dekho, 1, 2. So the numbers 1 and 2 are the common of both 4 and 18. Are the factors of both 4 and 18. And so they are the common factors, राइट 1 एंड 2 को हम लोग बोलेंगे कॉमन फैक्टर्स. और इसमें कौन सा हाईएस्ट है, सबसे हाईएस्ट कौन सा है, 2. सो उसको हम लोग एचसीएफ बोलेंगे. दैट वी विल सी इन द नेक्स्ट पार्ट ऑफ दिस रिवीजन, राइट. सो नाउ व्हाट आर द कॉमन फैक्टर्स ऑफ 4 एंड 15. सो दिस टू नंबर्स हैव ओनली वन एज अ कॉमन फैक्टर. ठीक है, 4 जो है वो 2 इन 4 का जो कॉमन फैक्टर है 1 2 4 है, राइट. 1 2 4 and the common and the factors of 15 is 1 3 5 15. So इसमें केवल एक ही नंबर कॉमन है, that is 1. So these two numbers have only one as a common factor. Now what about 7 and 16? The factors of 7 is 1 7 and the factors of 16 is 1 2 4 8 and 16. And now from this two also we have what we are observing, only one as a common factor, right? Now two numbers having only one as a common factor are called co-prime numbers, that we have already seen in revision number 1. Thus 4 and 15 and 7 and 16 are called co-prime numbers क्योंकि इसके एक ही common factor है, that is 1. Okay, so now we are moving towards common multiples. Next topic, what are the multiples of 4 and 6? चलो 4 का मल्टीपल्स 4 8 12 16 20 24 28 32 so on. And the multiples of 6 6 12 18 24 30 36 42 and so on. अब इसमें देखो कॉमन, इसमें आउट ऑफ दिस आर देयर एनी नंबर इज कॉमन इन बोथ द लिस्ट? यस, एक 12 है और एक 24 है. और इसके आगे अगर नंबर एक्सटेंड करेंगे तो देन वी विल गेट 36 आल्सो. सो वी ऑब्जर्व दैट 12 24 मतलब 12 का जितने भी मल्टीपल्स हैं वो इसके कॉमन मल्टीपल्स हैं. वी ऑब्जर्व दैट 12 24 36 आर द मल्टीपल्स ऑफ बोथ 4 एंड 6. नाउ माय क्वेश्चन इज दैट कैन यू राइट अ फ्यू मोर? यस, बिकॉज दीज आर द मल्टीपल्स ऑफ 12, right? So I can write after 36 also 48 60 72, like that I can write infinite number of common multiples. अब इसमें सबसे छोटा कौन सा है? 12. So 12 को बोलेंगे LCM. Okay, right. So now find the common multiples of 3 5 and 6. Multiples of 3 first. 3 6 9 12 15 18 21 24 27 30 33 36 and 39 so on. Multiples of 5 5 10 15 20 25 30 35 40 45 50 55 so on. Now multiples of 6 6 12 18 24 30 36 42. सो यहाँ पे कॉमन मल्टीपल्स हम लोग को क्या दिख रहा है? 30. फर्स्ट कॉमन मल्टीपल 30 आ गया, दैट मीन्स द मल्टीपल ऑफ 30 आर द कॉमन मल्टीपल. सो 30 के बाद 60 होगा, 60 के बाद 90 होगा, आफ्टर 90 120. दिस इज क्लियर ऑल ऑफ यू? ओके, so now we are moving towards a few questions based on common factors and common multiples from exercise 3.3. So first to find the common factors of 20 and 28. So factors of 20 first, 1, 2, 4, 5, 10 and 20. Factors of 28, 1, 2, 4, 7, 14, 28. अब इसमें कॉमन क्या क्या देखते हैं. 1, 2, 4 कॉमन है, और कोई कॉमन है इसमें नहीं है. So common factors are 1, 2, 4, right. Now the next number is 15 and 25. 15, the factors of 15 is 1, 3, 5, 15, and the factors of 25 is 1, 5, 25. So the common factors are 1 and 5 only, right. So now we'll move to C bit. 35, the factors of 35 is 1, 5, 7, 35, only 4. 50, 1, 2, 5, 10, 25 and then 50. So इसमें केवल 1 और 5 ही है, इसमें भी 1 and 5 are the common factors, right. So now we are moving toward the next question based on common multiples. So find first 3 common multiples of 6 and 8 first. So multiples of 6, 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, so on. And multiples of 8, 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, so on. So इसमें सबसे पहले कौन सा मल्टीपल है वो फाइंड आउट करेंगे हम लोग. सबसे फर्स्ट है 24. So that means 24 का मल्टीपल कॉमन मल्टीपल्स होंगे. So first 24, second 48, third 72. Only first three we have to write. So 24, 48, 72. Now coming to the next one, 12 and 18. The multiples of 12 are 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, 72, so on. And the multiples of 18 is 18, 36, 54, 72, so on. So यहाँ पे जो फर्स्ट वाला जो कॉमन मल्टीपल है वो सबसे छोटा 36 है. That means the common multiples are the multiples of 36. So 36, 72, 108 are the first 3 common multiples of 12 and 18. Right? So now we'll see a few one question based on co-prime numbers. Which of the following numbers are co-prime? So first 15 and 37. So co-prime numbers, just now I told that the two numbers are said to be co-prime if they do not have any common factor other than 1. So 15 का common 15 का factor है 1, 3, 5, 15, and 37 it is a prime number, so 137. So only one factor is common, that is 1. So therefore it is a co-prime number. Okay, these are co-prime numbers. Since the common factor is 1, therefore 15 and 37 are co-primes. Now the next question, 30 and 415. 30 का factors है 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15, 30. And 415 का है 1, 5, 83, 83 and 415. So here the common factors are 2 factors. 1 भी है and 5 भी है. So that is why these two numbers are not co-primes. Okay. Now next topic, prime factorization. So prime factorization of a number is to write the numbers as the product of prime factors, product of factors, prime factors, which are all prime numbers. Okay. Other than prime numbers, we should not write in factorization. So by convention, the factors are listed in increasing order. Suppose 60, right? 60 को हम लोग लिखेंगे 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. तो इंक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर में लिखेंगे. फर्स्ट पहले छोटा वाला, उसके बाद बड़ा, देन लास्ट में द लार्जर नंबर. Although 1 is a factor of every number, but we are not supposed to take 1 in the product because it is not a prime number. Okay. Now finding prime factorization, we have 3 methods. 2 methods. One is factor tree method and another is division method. So we'll see one by one. First we'll see factor tree method. So I will show you with one example. 120. 120 को हम लोग लिख सकते हैं 8 into 15 या 15 into 8 या 30 into 4 या 4 into 30. So first I will write 30 into 4. Again 30 we can write 5 into 6 and 4 we can write 2 into 2. So इसको 5 into 6 और इसको 2 into 2. अब 5 क्योंकि प्राइम नंबर है उसको एज इट इज लिखेंगे, एंड 6 we can write 2 into 3, and 2 and 2 these are two again prime numbers, so we'll write as it is. केवल 6 को हम लोग ब्रेक करेंगे 2 into 3 में, बाकी सबको एज इट इज लिखेंगे. So we got 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. Increasing order में लिखेंगे. First 3 2s, then 3, then 5. Right. Now the second 120. Just now I told you 15 into 8. Yeah, 8 into 15. Again 8 we can write 2 into 4, and 15 we can write 3 into 5. अब इसमें 2 प्राइम नंबर है, 3 भी प्राइम नंबर है, 5 भी प्राइम नंबर है, बट 4 is not a prime number. Again 4 we can split it 2 into 2. Okay, and others we can write as it is. So we got from the both the method we got the same factors, that is 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. Okay, so now we are moving toward the another method, division method. So what we will do, we will start with the dividing with 2 small number, not necessary to start dividing by the smallest prime number by which the given number is divisible, and continue dividing successfully by the prime number in increasing order, right, until the quotient is 1. Now not necessary that you have to make the quotient 1. So last अगर number prime number आ गया तो वहाँ पे छोड़ सकते हैं. So I will tell you one example. 120, it is divisible by 2, so divided by 2 we'll get 60. Again 60 is divisible by 2, we get 30. ठीक है, 30 फिर 2 से डिवाइड हो रहा है. So now 30 again we can divide it by 2. 15 we will get. 15 now we'll divide it by 3. So we got 5. अब यहाँ पर हम लोग रोक सकते हैं. It is not necessary that we have to end up to 1. So we have to write like that: 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. So 3 2s into 3 into 5. 1470. It is divisible by 2 first, so we'll get 735. 735. 735 2 से डिवाइड नहीं हो रहा है तो 3 से चेक कर रहे हैं, 3 से डिवाइड हो रहा है. देन विल गेट 245. एक मिनट में पहले पूरा लिख देता हूँ, ठीक है. 245. नाउ 245 इज नॉट डिविजिबल बाय 3, सो विल डिवाइडेड बाय 5. So 49. 49 is divisible by 7. So we'll stop up here. No need to do up to 1. So 2 into 3 into 5 into 7 into 7. Okay. So अभी तो मैं पूरा ये यहाँ तक 1 तक लेके जा रहा हूँ. So 120 का आंसर हो गया 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. And this is 1470. That is 2 into 3 into 5 into 7 into 7. Okay. Now we'll see one more example. Find the prime factorization of 980. So 980 is divisible by 2. So we'll start from 2. Chalo. We'll get 490. Okay. सबसे पहले मैं पेन से ड्रॉ कर लेता हूँ, लिख लेता हूँ, उसके बाद मैं डिस्प्ले करूँगा. राइट. अगेन इट इज डिविजिबल बाय 2. So we'll get 245. 245 is not divisible by 3. So it is divisible by 5 because unit place digit is 5. So we'll get 49. Again 49 divisible by 7. 7 sevens है. अब यहाँ पे रुक जाएंगे हम लोग, ठीक है. अदरवाइज एक स्टेप और भी जा सकते हैं. इफ यू वांट 7 1s are 7. सो ये वाला आंसर लिखना अगर 1 तक जा रहे हैं तो. दैट इज 2 into 2 into 5 into 7 into 7. ठीक है. 2 into 2 into 5 into 7 into 7. Right. So now we'll see few examples. Now question देखो. Here are two different factor trees for 60. Write the missing number. So see 6 का 2 दिया हुआ है, so ये कितना होगा? 3. Very good. 3. और 10 का 5 एक फैक्टर दिया हुआ है, दूसरा क्या होगा? 2. Very good. 60 का 30 दिया हुआ है, तो 30 into what is equals to 60? 2. 30 का 10 दिया हुआ है, so what is this? 3 not 2. अभी 10 को how will you split? Right. Yeah, 2 into 5. 5 into 2, yeah, 2 into 5. So these are the answers. Okay, now we are moving toward the next question. Question number, next question, important question, fourth question. Write the greatest 4-digit number and express it as a product of prime factors. So the greatest 4-digit number is 9999. 4 times 9 लिखेंगे, that is 9999. अब इसका हम लोग प्राइम फैक्टर्स निकालेंगे. फर्स्ट वी विल डिवाइडेड बाय 3. सो 3 से डिवाइड करेंगे तो आ जाएगा 3 3 3 3. Now again it is divisible by 3, so we'll get 1 1 1 1, that is 1111. और ये 11 से अब डिवाइड हो रहा है. 11 से 101. 101 is a prime number, so we'll stop here. Otherwise, you can divide it by 101 again. So we are getting this one: 3 into 3 into 11 into 101. Right. So now we are moving toward the next question. This is also a very important question. Write the smallest 5-digit number and express it as product of prime factors. Smallest 5-digit number 1 लिखने के बाद 40 लिखना है, तब 5 digits हो जाएगा. That is 10,000. Now we are going to divide it by 10,000. First we will divide it by 2. So 2 से divide करेंगे तो 5,000 आएगा. Again 5,000 divisible by 2. 5,000 को 2 से divide करेंगे तो 2,500. Again that is divisible by 2. If we divide 2,500, we'll get 1,250. Again that is divisible by 2. Here we are getting 625. So that is divisible, not divisible by 3, that is divisible by 5. So 5 से divide करेंगे तो 125 मिलेगा. Again it is divisible by 5. So 125 को फिर से 5 से divide करेंगे तो we'll get 25. 25 5 से divide होगा. 5 5s are 25. Right? इसको दूसरे तरीके से भी कर सकते हैं. So factorization हो गया 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. This is 2 ना. 2 into 5 into 5 into 5. 4 2s है और 4 5s है. इसको दूसरा एक मेथड से भी कर सकते हैं. सी 10,000 वी कैन राइट 10 4 टाइम्स, और एक 10 को हम लोग लिख सकते हैं 2 into 5. सो 2 into 5 4 टाइम्स हो गया. नाउ ऑल 2s you write together and all 5 you write together. So this is very easy method. So not necessary that you have to use this method only. So you can use this alternative method also. Right. Now we are moving toward the next topic, HCF, highest common factor. Highest common factor, that is HCF of 2 or more given numbers, is the highest of their common factors. This is also known as GCD, greatest common divisor. ठीक है. जो अमेरिकन जो बुक्स हैं, जो टेक्सास वगैरह, वहाँ पे HCF की in place of HCF they are using GCD word. Okay, we'll see one example. The HCF of 20, 28 and 36 can also be found by prime factorization of these numbers as follows. चलो 20 का देखते हैं पहले. 20 will divide it by 2 first, so we'll get 10. Again do it divided by 2, we'll get 5. Stop. Prime number. Now 28. 28 we will divide it by 2, we'll get 14. Again we will divide it by 2, we'll get 7. Stop. This is a prime number. Now for 36 we will divide it by 2, we'll get 18. Again we will divide it by 2, we'll get 9. So 9 we will divide it by 3. 3. Right. Okay. So 20, 28, 36 का आ गया. So 20, 28, 36. So ध्यान से देखो, what are the common factors that we have to identify. एक 2 और दूसरा 2 भी है. See, this is and this is common, right? So 2 into 2, that is 4, is the required HCF. Now we'll see a few more examples from exercise 3.6. Find the HCF of the following numbers 18 and 48. So first we'll start with 18, right? 18 का factors देख लो पहले. 18 को 2 से divide करेंगे, we'll get 9, and again we will divide it by 3. Stop. 48, first we will divide it by 2, so we'll get 24. Again divided by 2, we'll get 12. Again divided by 2, we'll get 6. Again divided by 2, you will get 3. Stop. So that means 2 into 3 into 3 is 18, and 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 is 48. Right? So now we have to identify the common factors. सो उसको मैं अंडरलाइन कर रहा हूँ, एक 2 कॉमन है और एक 3 कॉमन है, राइट. सो कॉमन फैक्टर्स आर हियर 2 and 3. सो द HCF इज 2 into 3, उसका प्रोडक्ट. सो 6, राइट. नाउ द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, 30 और 45 का प्राइम फैक्टर्स. ओके, 30 2 into 15, 15 फिर 3 into 5, 42 जो है वो 6 into 7 होता है, मतलब 2 into 3 into 7, राइट. अब इसमें कॉमन देखो 2 into 3 है दोनों में. Common factors are 2 and 3. So the HCF is 2 into 3, that is 6. Okay, now we are moving towards G bit, क्योंकि सभी bits नहीं यहाँ पर, only 4 bits I have taken. दो 2 digit का 2 numbers का और दो 3 numbers का. So next is 70, 105, 175. Okay, so 70 का हम लोग कैसे लिखेंगे, 10 into 7. So 10 is 2 into 5 into 7. 105, 15 into 7, 15 को 3 into 5. 175, 25 into 7, so 5 into 5 into 7. Okay, so सबको एक साथ लिखेंगे. Now we will find the common factor. मुझे 5 दिख रहा है और कुछ दिख रहा है, 7. 7 is also common. So the common factors of all these three numbers are 5 and 7. So HCF is 5 into 7, that is 35. Right, now we are moving toward the next question. The last one, 91, 112, 49. So 91 is 7 into 13 and 112 is 16 into 7. 16 मतलब 4 times 2 लिखेंगे, and 49 is 7 into 7. So in these three numbers only one is the common factor, that is 7. Only one factor is common. So HCF is 7. Now we are moving toward the properties of HCF. Very interesting properties. The first one is the HCF of 2 or more numbers is not greater than any of the given number. ठीक है, HCF हमेशा छोटा होता है, तो वो टिप नंबर 3 में हम लोग यूज करते हैं. तो एक्सपेक्टेड वैल्यू कम आता है तो HCF लेते हैं हम लोग, राइट. एग्जाम्पल 8 और 12 का HCF 4 है. सो 4 8 से भी छोटा है और 12 से भी छोटा है. नेक्स्ट, HCF ऑफ 2 कंसेक्यूटिव numbers is always 1. Actually 2 consecutive numbers को हम लोग को प्राइम नंबर्स बोलते हैं, जैसे 3 4 4 5 5 6 6 7, they are को प्राइम नंबर्स, so उसका HCF 1 होगा. एग्जाम्पल 15 and 16, 15 and 16 का HCF 1 है. कोई भी consecutive नंबर लो, either you can take 120 121 या 100 and 101, you will get HCF 1. And HCF of 2 co-prime numbers, that is always equals to 1. Example 7 and 20. And HCF of 2 consecutive even numbers is 2. And HCF of 2 consecutive odd numbers is 1. So even numbers का example देख लो, 12 and 14. 12 को हम लोग 2 into 6 और 14 को 2 into 7 लिख सकते हैं. So HCF is 2. Otherwise 12 को अगर prime factors में लिखना है तो 2 into 3, right, and 14 is 2 into 7. देखो केवल 2 कॉमन फैक्टर है यहाँ पे, this 2, right. Now similarly the HCF of 2 consecutive odd numbers is 1. Okay, so see example 25 and 27. 25 we can write 5 into 5. ठीक है, 25 को हम लोग 5 into 5 लिख सकते हैं और 27 को हम लोग 3 into 3 into 3 लिख सकते हैं. 3 into 3 into 3. So there is no common factor. If there is no common factor, we will write 1. 0 नहीं लिखना है, right? Otherwise this is also one method. 25 के 3 फैक्टर्स हैं और 27 के 4 फैक्टर्स हैं, इसमें 1 कॉमन है, right? So now we are moving towards a few questions from exercise 3.6. What is the HCF of 2 consecutive numbers? 1. What is the HCF of 2 consecutive even numbers? 2. What is the HCF of 2 consecutive odd numbers? 1. So first का आंसर 1 है, second का 2 है और third का भी 1 है. Now HCF of co-prime numbers 4 and 15 was found as follows by factorization. See 4 को हम लोग लिख सकते हैं 2 into 2, और 15 को लिख सकते हैं 3 into 5. Since there is no common prime factor, so HCF of 4 and 15 is 0. Is the answer correct? If not, what is the correct HCF? No, the answer is not correct because 1 is the highest common factor of 4 and 15. So HCF of 4 and 15 is 1. Okay, so this is the HCF. Now we are moving toward our last topic, today's topic, LCM, that is lowest common multiple. So lowest common multiple of two or more given number is the lowest of their common multiples. सबसे छोटा common multiples. So there are three methods to find the LCM. First is listing of multiple methods, second prime factorization method, and third is common division method. Okay, we'll see one by one. First, listing of multiples method. So step, इसमें दो स्टेप में आंसर आएगा. फर्स्ट हम लोग कॉमन मल्टीपल्स लिखेंगे और उसमें जो सबसे छोटा कॉमन मल्टीपल है, नहीं, we will list all the multiples of the given number, then we will write the least common multiple between those numbers. So these are the two steps. So let us start with the first question. Example 12 and 15. Find the LCM of 12 and 15. तो 12 का मल्टीपल्स पहले लिखेंगे हम लोग. 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, 72, 84, 96, 108, 120, 132, so on. And the multiples of 15 is 15, 30, 45, 60, 75, 90, 105 and 120, so on. अब इसमें देखो कॉमन मल्टीपल्स 60 है और 120 है. And out of 60 and 120, which is the smallest one? 60. Right. So therefore LCM of 12 and 15 is 60. So we also write in this form also. LCM bracket में 12, 15 is equals to 60. Right. Now we'll see one more example based on this one. Find the LCM of the numbers 4, 6 and 12. First we will write the common multiples of 4. That is 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40, so on. Multiples of 6. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, so on. And multiples of 12. 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, 72, 84, so on. अब इसमें फर्स्ट कॉमन मल्टीपल क्या है? 12, right. 12 and 24 is also is visible and 36 also it is visible out of all this. So पहले तो हम लोग common multiples लिख लिए. Now among this which is the lowest one? 12. So 12 is the required LCM. So we can write in this form also. Right. Now prime factorization method. तो प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन मेथड में सबसे पहले प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन लिखेंगे पूरा फुल दोनों का. उसके बाद we will write the product of each prime factors with the maximum number of times it repeated. Okay, we'll see one example. Find the LCM of 18, 20 and 24. So 18 का prime factor हो जाएगा 2, it is 2 into 9. So 2 into 3 into 3. And 20 is 4 into 5, so 2 into 2 into 5. And 24 is 8 into 3. 8 means you have to write 3 times 2. So factors ये मिल गया. अब इसमें देखो 2 repeated maximum times 3 and 3 repeated maximum times 2 and 5 repeated maximum times 1. Okay, these are occurring maximum times. So what is the LCM? The product of all these is the required LCM, that is 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. So यहाँ पे multiplication कैसे करोगे? देखो 2 into 5 is 10 and 4 into 9 is 36. So 36 into 10, 360. Right. Now we are moving toward one more example. Find the LCM of 8, 12 and 18 by prime factorization method. 8 means just now I told 3 times 2 लिखेंगे. And 12 is 4 into 3, so 2 into 2 into 3. 18 is 2 into 9, so 2 into 3 into 3. Right. And now here 2 repeated maximum 3 times and 3 repeated maximum 2 times. So LCM is equals to LCM of these number is equals to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3, that is 8 into 9. 8 into 9, 72, right. Now we'll see one more example. Find the LCM of 36, 75, 80 by prime factorization method. 36, again 4 into 9, 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. 75, 3 into 25 होता है, so 3 into 5 into 5. 80, 60 into 16 into 5. 16 means 4 times 2 लिखेंगे. अब देखो 2 repeated maximum 4 times, 5 repeated maximum 2 times and 3 repeated maximum 2 times. So the product of all these number is the required HCF. अब इसको कैसे multiply करेंगे देखो. This is 5, 2 into 5 is 10. Again one more pair is 2 into 5 is 10. Now 4 into 9, 36. So 36, one more 10. Yes. So 36 into 10 into 10 is 3600. So this is the final answer. Okay. Now we'll see one more example. Find the LCM of 96, 108 and 180 by prime factorization method. So 96 का prime factors निकाल देते हैं. देखो ध्यान से मैं यहाँ पे कर रहा हूँ 96. First we will divide it by 2. छोटे छोटे नंबर को आराम से लिख सकते हैं, बट बड़े नंबर में हम लोग को ये प्रैक्टिस करना पड़ेगा. 48 again divided by 2, 24 again divided by 2, 12 again divided by 2, 6 again divided by 2, 3. So 1 is over. Now the second number 100 and 108. So first we will divide it by 2. So we'll get 54. Again divided by 2, we'll get 27. 27 3 से divide करेंगे, so we'll get 9. So again divided by 3, so you will get 3. Stop. And one more is left, that is 180. उसको नीचे कर लेते हैं, ध्यान से देखो. 180 first you divided by 2, so you will get 90. Again divided by 2, you will get 45. Again divided by 3, you will get 15. Again divided by 3, you will get 5. Right. So 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5, this one. So we'll get first 96, 5 times 2 है और एक 3 है. 108, 2 times 2, 3 times 3. Right. So this is 96, this is 108, this is 180. I told you not necessary that you have to stop up to 1. You can stop like that. Right. So this is 108 and this is 180. Now see, यहाँ पे अलग अलग factors क्या क्या है, 2 है, 3 है और 5 है. So 2 repeated maximum 5 times here, 3 repeated maximum 3 times here, and 5 repeated only 1 time here. So इन तीनों का जो multiplication होगा, that is the required HCF, LCM. ठीक है. अब देखो ये 2 5 times और 3 times and 5 1 times. Now how will you multiply? See, एक तो 2 into 5 कर लो, right? And this is 16 and this is 27. 27 into 16 is 432. So 110 है. So 4320. Right, 4320. So this is the final answer. Right. Now the last method for finding LCM is common division method. This is also known as short division method. So सबसे पहले हम लोग क्या करेंगे? We'll divide by prime number which is common divisor at least 2 of the given number and carry forward the numbers which are not divisible. And repeat step 1 with the quotient and the undivided numbers and continue the process until no two numbers having any common divisor. Find the product of all the divisors and the final quotients. This is the method. So we'll see one example, 15, 14 and 24. So 15, 14, 24. See, these two numbers are divisible by 2. So सबसे पहले हम लोग 2 से divide करेंगे. Right? ये 2 से डिवाइड नहीं होगा तो उसको कैरी फॉरवर्ड करेंगे एज इट इज. So next you will get 15, 7 and 12. Okay, now 15, 7, 12 में 15 and 12 are divisible by 3, so we will divide it by 3 next. And 7 is not divisible by 3, so we will write as it is 5, 7 and the last number is 4. Now 5, 7, 4 इसमें कोई भी common divisor नहीं है, so we'll leave like that only. Now the product of all the divisor and the final quotient, that is 5, 7, 4 is the required LCM. So 2 into 3 into 5 into 7 into 4. ध्यान से देखो 2 into 5 10 हो गया and 3 into 7 21 into 4 84. So 840. Right? We'll see one more example. 12, 16, 40. So 12, 16, 40, all three numbers are divisible by 2. So first we will divide it by 2. So we'll get first number 6, 8 and 20. Again all numbers are divisible by 2. So we'll divide it by 2. Okay, so we'll get 3, 4, 10. Again 4 and 10 are divisible by 2. So we'll divide it by 2. 3 as it is लिखेंगे because it is not divisible by 2. Then this will become 2 and this will become 5. So all numbers are different, no common divisor. So we'll write as it is. We'll leave like that only. Now LCM is the product of two all divisor and the quotient. That is 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 2 into 5. उसको थोड़ा order में लिख लेंगे. Now see 2 into 5 is 10 and 8 into 3 is 24. So we'll get 240. We'll see one more example. 240 क्या हो गया, कोई डाउट है इसमें?
No, sir.
Okay, find the LCM of 18, 24, 36, 45. See, 18, 24, 36, all these three numbers are divisible by 2. So first we will divide it by 2. So this you will get 9, 12, 18 and 45 is not divisible, so we'll write as it is, right? So these two numbers are divisible by 2. So again we will divide it by 2. So 9 divide नहीं हो रहा, as it is लिखेंगे. Now this will be 6 and this will be 9 and this will be 15. Now all 45. All numbers are divisible by 3 and only one number is divisible by 2, 6. So we'll divide it by 3 first. So what we are going to get, 3, 2, 3, 15. So यहाँ पे 3 नंबर 3 से डिवाइड हो रहा है. So we'll divide it by 3 again. So we'll get 1, 2, 1, 5. So we'll stop क्योंकि कोई भी common divisor नहीं है. So the product of all this divisor and the quotient, prime quotient, is the required LCM. So 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 2 into 5. So ध्यान से देखो ये 10 हो जाएगा and this will be 4 into 9, 36. So answer is 360. Okay, we'll see one more example. 48, 72 and 108. So all these three numbers are divisible by 2. So 2 से divide करेंगे सबसे पहले. 24, 36 and 54. So फिर तीनों नंबर 2 से divide हो रहा है, so 2 से start करेंगे. So we'll get 12, 18 and 27. Okay, so 12, 18 दो नंबर जो है वो 2 से डिवाइड हो रहा है. So we'll continue with 2. So we'll get 6, 9, 27. Now all these three numbers are divisible by 3. So we'll divide it by 3. ध्यान से देखो. So we'll get 2, 3 and 9. Again 3 and 9 are divisible by 3. So 2 1 3 stop. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 2 into 3. अभी किसी किसी बुक में क्या दिया हुआ है कि 2 एंड होने तक 2 से डिवाइड करते जाते हैं. सो दैट इज ऑल्सो करेक्ट, नो प्रॉब्लम, क्योंकि यहाँ पे कोई फिक्स रूल नहीं है. सो वी कैन यूज लाइक दैट ऑल्सो. 2 से डिवाइड करें तो ये 3 आ गया, ये 9 आ गया, 27. Again, common factor is 3. We are going to divide it by 3. So 1, 3, 9. Again, common factor is 3. We will divide it by 3. So ऐसा भी कर सकते हो. Same answer you will get. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 3 into 3 into 3. And in some of the books and some teachers are telling that we have to make compulsory 1, 1, 1. That is also not correct. ठीक है? वो करोगे तो भी सेम आएगा, नहीं करोगे तो भी सेम आएगा. So this is the required आंसर. ध्यान से देखो, दिस इज 6 इंटू 6 36 इंटू 6 216 इंटू 2, so 432. Okay, so this is the last question of today's session. So that's all for today's session. Thank you very much.